Hey, good morning, guys. This is Simon with Trade and Perform Coaching, and I wanted to first of all, if you we have two spaces open in the room right now, so I'm going to do my shameless marketing. Trade and Perform at gmail.com. It does cost to be a member of the room, just so you know. The to have the algo on your desktop is $279 per month, and that is actually the only level of membership remaining open at this point. At any rate, what I wanted to show you, I apologize, got the marketing so everyone can click off of it right away who doesn't want to pay any money. Y'all can go. That's cool. So for those who want to learn, one of the simplest ways to understand where order flow is likely going. So there's two ways to do it. I'm a big fan of Louis DePayne. He has a very technical method of reading the market using order flow and volume, and it's really great. Mine's a little bit different. I'm a visual trader, and because I'm ADD and dyslexic, I need a simpler way to read order flow. So this is how I do it, or one of the many ways that I do it. But okay, so what I want to highlight here are the pink and the purple bars. Okay, just looking at pink, purple bars, and then one last element, the triangle. So here's what I'm looking for. Okay, and then oops, sorry about that. And then I'm going to put the last one in, the last piece in, and how you put it together for a trade. Okay. so this is how this works. Let's say, first of all, you have to have a bias as to which way you want to trade, long or short. So we're only going to look at longs because primarily that's what I believe you should be trading in ES and NQ, especially if you're a more novice trader. Shorts are hard, and I find they're very addictive to a lot of people. Right, so we're going to look at longs. So what I'm looking for, I'm going to start here at 6 in the morning. So as the market is coming down, right, market's coming down, I'm looking for a purple bar. I see a purple bar. The next thing I'm doing is looking for a pink bar. The third thing I'm doing is looking for a triangle. Now the triangle can come concurrent with the pink bar, or it can come after the pink bar. But once I get that triangle, okay, so now you know exactly what I'm looking at. I'm not sure how small this is on the screen, so I'm going to make it bigger. Okay. Once I get this pink bar, I know that this swing right here should not break. This is on ES. I'll show it in NQ in just a second. So I get purple bar, I get pink bar, I get triangle, and I know the low should not break, and price pushes up. This is about a 4 points worth of risk on ES down to the low. Okay, so then as I'm following it, right, so I'm looking for the market to come down. I won't, let's just follow it naturally and see how it does, right? So purple, get the triangle up, right? But I need the pink first, so no business. I get purple, I get pink bar with triangle up. My stop has to go down here. So hypothetically, my entry is here. My risk is here. So this is 22 to 18, 23 to 1875. So again, 4 points. And my maximum favorable excursion on this is 22 to 27, 5 points, right? Now, as members in the room know, there's other ways of entering this trade more efficiently. I'm not going to cover it here. All I want to show you is how I can read order flow. So I'm coming up, coming down. I get my purple bars, get my pink bar. My next triangle up is going to be my entry. Right, this is 8:30 in the morning. Stop goes down here. Order flow goes up. Going through, I get my purple bars. Need a pink bar with my triangle up. So I'll already tell you I won't take this all the way at the top of the channel. But as you can see, entry would be here. Stop would be down here. Price goes up here. Coming down, purple bar, no pink bar. So now I'm waiting, right? There are stops that occur on this. Purple bar, no pink bar. I'm waiting. Purple bar, no pink bar. Anywhere close by. I'm waiting. Purple bar, pink bar with triangle up. Stop goes down here. 4-point stop, 4-point win. Again, there's ways to improve that RR that I'm not going to cover here. Just going to go through the day, right? Again, purple bar, here's a stop. pink bar, my stop goes right down here. That trade gets stopped. That's -4. Purple bar, pink bar, 4-point stop. Price goes up. Purple bar, no pink bar. Purple bar, pink bar, stop. Price goes up. Purple bar. So I need the triangle after the pink bar, so no trade in this case. Purple bar, pink bar, stop, -4. By the way, you can substitute the star if there's no purple bar. Just FYI, this is a valid long here against the low, but again, I'm trying not to overcomplicate it. Purple bar, pink bar, triangle up, stop at the swing. You obviously get your 4 points. It's a very high win rate. And then some. Purple bar, pink bar, triangle up, stop. You obviously get your 4 points into the close there, right? So that's a yes. Now I'm going to go through and do it on NQ, which will have a few more stops. So let me see if I can find it. So we'll go back to the beginning of the day, erase the lines. If you look at this closely, you'll see the shorts as well. So this is 7 o'clock, purple bar, right, on the way down, pink bar with the triangle, long, stop goes down here. Stop's a little bit more expensive on this trade. It's 91 to 77. So that's 91, 81, 13 points, about $260 a contract. Again, I have a way of improving this trade, but that's the cost of the trade. Obviously, you get your better than 2-to-1 RR on that trade. So we'll erase the lines. Purple bar, pink bar, right? But then I want the triangle up without breaking the low, and we broke the low over here. So this is right at the open. We'll just not worry about it. It's super choppy at that point. So you get your purple bar. So now I need a pink bar, nothing. Purple bar, now I need a pink bar, nothing, right? Purple bar, pink bar, triangle up. My stop goes right at the bottom of that pink bar now. Right there, you obviously get your 2-to-1 RR. The stop on this that was required was 76 to 63. Guys in my room know that how to really press this trade with a lot of leverage. I'm not going to cover that here. Okay, so we're coming up again. We're looking at longs only, right? So purple bar, pink bar. I don't know if you got your 2-to-1 on this. You got about 15 points, so probably. Coming down, purple bar, pink bar, triangle up, stop. That's your first stop of the day, right? Again, you're looking for the purple bar. Again, you can substitute the star here, guys, but you want the star to come like in a sequence where it's coming straight down, which is why I'm focusing just on the purple bar. So purple bar, pink bar, stop, push. And members of the room are going to recognize immediately that there's even better trades within this context. Purple bar, no pink bar, nothing to do. Purple bar, no pink bar, nothing to do. Purple bar, triangle up, pink bar, stop, push. Market comes down, purple bar, triangle up on the pink bar, stop, push. Purple bar, pink bar, stop. Purple bar, pink bar, stop. So you can get stopped on this, right? As I said, NQ will have more stops. Purple bar, no pink bar to speak of. You'll see it came late. Purple bar, pink bar. If you take it up here, guys, your stop is just right there. Obviously, you got the P&L out of that. purple bar, pink bar, small push. That was probably a stop for me. I would have never exited that trade. Purple bar, pink bar, beautiful trade. Purple bar, pink bar, beautiful trade. Here you got purple bar and you got pink bar, but you never get the triangle up. Purple bar, pink bar, and the triangle up. Stop goes here. Up goes the market. Again, you can't make this up, right? Nothing here, nothing here. This is late. I don't take them at the top of the channel, even though it lifted. And that was the end of the day. Okay, so it also works on CL. The pattern pretty much works on everything. It's telling you something very, very specific about order flow. So anyways, my name is Simon. The cost to join the room is $279 per month, right? So it's cool if you don't want to pay or you don't want to pay that much or whatever the case may be. That's how you jump in the room, trade and perform at gmail.com. The $279 includes having your algo on the desktop, and I only let in 2 people at a time. Once I get them initiated, I let 2 more people in, or if someone quits, which is pretty rare. So that's my 2 cents. And at any rate, if you have any questions, that's how you get a hold of me. Hope everyone has a great weekend, and I hope everyone killed it trading.